Recently, Indian Space Research Organization launched a satellite, Cartosat-3. So this is a very special satellite. This is a third generation satellite, so which is equipped with a very high resolution camera, so which can take the photographs on Earth very clearly. So this satellite was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota, and this was launched with the help of rocket PSLV C-47. So this Cartosat-3 is going to be of great use for India. So it will help the government in the city planning. Actually, the photographs taken by this satellite will help the government in the city planning, infrastructure development, and in the natural disasters like floods, and to know the area, forest cover area, and changes in the land use pattern, in the areas in which the demand to know the areas in which demand of land is increasing, and how the land is being used in the different areas, whether it is for agriculture or for building activities and like these things. And another biggest advantage of this Cartosat-3 will be that it will help to guard the India's borders. The pictures taken by this Cartosat-3 will help the security agencies to know the movement of the enemy troops and the whatever the activities going on the border. So this Cartosat-3 is going to be of the great use for India. Now let's take a reading of it. What type of satellite is Cartosat-3 and what are the uses of Cartosat-3? Cartosat-3 is a third generation highly advanced satellite with high resolution photo taking capability. ISRO launched Cartosat-3 along with 13 nanosatellites of United States on November 27, 2019. It is the ninth satellite of Cartosat series. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. It was launched with the help of PSLV C-47. So this is a rocket with the help of which it was launched. Cartosat-3 is the highest resolution civilian satellite. So actually, this is the satellite which is with this is the highest resolution civilian satellite in the world. So it can take the clear pictures up to height of 9.84 inches of the ground from space. Now, what are the uses of the Cartosat-3? The pictures taken by the Cartosat-3 will help the government to the large-scale city planning and development of the rural resources and infrastructure development, and to know the coastal land use and the growing consumer demand for the land in the different areas of the country. And this satellite will also help in the surveillance of India's borders. So this is very important. It will help the security agencies to know whatever is going on the borders. So it will also help in monitoring the natural disasters like floods and the areas affected by the floods, and other natural disasters like earthquakes. It will also helpful to know the damage caused by the large scale earthquakes. So now, what is the background? Spelling wrong, background. Cartosat 1 was the first satellite of the Cartosat series. It was launched on 5th May 2005. Cartosat 2 was launched on 10th January 2007, and this is the Cartosat 3. Now, possible objective questions. With the help of which rocket Cartosat 3 was launched? It was PSLV Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle C-47. What is the main specialty of Cartosat 3? It is fitted with the high resolution camera. Now, it was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Now, Satish Dhawan Space Center is located at Sriharikota.